Today we have a very rare 2003 575 manual, 6-speed manual. We've known it for quite some time. We've serviced it and sold it in the past. It's got 18,000 miles from new and is about as good as you're going to get. So we're going to take it for a ride. What could be said about a Ferrari 575 other than it's absolutely a superb GT car that does everything right. It is quite a bit smoother, it's hard to explain, than a 550 that has that little bit of a rough edge, although it's spectacular in its own right. But the only thing that will up either one of them is what we have here, which is a 575 manual, which we have known for many, many years, which we have serviced, which we have sold in the past. It is equally comfortable both on the motorways, highways, which are motorways in the United States, and back roads, which is absolutely wonderful for a GT car because it is really tossable, it is really fun, it is really fast. There's not much you can say about these cars other than it's probably about as perfect a V12 Ferrari as you can get, and still a manual and easy to throw around, easy to drive in absolutely every circumstance, from Starbucks to the Autobahn. And in air-conditioned comfort, it is absolutely superb. I recently drove this car a couple hundred miles, and I can assure you it is superb. So here we are on our twisty road, coming up to the portion where we do our drive-bys. Actually got a Tubi sport muffler, and unlike a lot of the Ferraris that have sort of a drone in it, this one is really, really peaceful until I should say, you get on throttle, in which case it is really, really lovely and pronounces that V12 sound with the best of them. Got a great gearbox. Maybe Ferrari will surprise everyone and go back to combustion engines and manual gearboxes, and we could have that retro era that we so badly need. Can you imagine seeing the cars actually built by people again? Ooh, crazy. Just saying. Docile around the street, or around town I should say, and then she goes like hell when you want her to, brakes to match. So this one's pretty special. And once again, I hope it goes to a very, very, very good home.